Hi there, students. To cower, a verb. I guess cowering, an adjective. Even coweringly, an adverb. Let's see, to cower is to make yourself small because you're frightened. No, don't hit me. Yeah, this is to cower. You bend forwards, you bend downwards, you make yourself as small as possible because you're frightened about something. Often you move backwards as well. The dog cowered in a corner because it knew it had done something wrong. Okay, so to cower, to bend or to move away, to crouch, to cringe, to shy away from something. The child was terrified of the thunderstorm, and I found him cowering under the bed. Okay, so to cower. You can also cower somebody into doing something, to frighten them into submission. Yeah, this is related to the word coward and cowardice. Okay, so to cower. No, don't hit me. Don't, no. Okay, but notice very often they use this more metaphorically. I cowered at the idea of doing this. I shrank away from it. I felt really bad about it. So it can be physically to cower, yeah, to make yourself small. But very often you cower because you're afraid of doing something, because you don't really want to do something. Yeah, so you cower silently. Yeah, you cower inside. Yeah, the teacher had caught me smoking around the back of the bike sheds, and I cowered at the thought of going to see the headmaster. Yeah, it's like I was shaking or trembling inside. To cringe is a good synonym for this. To crouch down in fear. Yeah, you are shrinking away from somebody's anger or from their threats or from threats of violence. To recoil, to flinch. Yeah, to quail. Yeah, quail was actually what sent me on this video. Okay, so yeah, don't cower. Be yourself. You have the right not to be hit, not to be abused. So cowering is not a solution. Yeah, I'm thinking this dog is afraid of loud bangs, and whenever there are fireworks that go off, he cowers in a corner. Yeah. I'm trying to use it as an adjective. Yeah, such a cowering attitude. Be brave, be bold. Don't cower in the corners, but say what you think. Okay, formality, to cower. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Germanic, probably, kura, to doze, or maybe middle low German, kuren, to lie in wait. It's clearly a cognate or linked with German kauem, to squat down, yeah, or Dutch koeren, to watch from a cowering position. Okay, so to cower. Yeah, don't cower, say what you think. Yeah, he was cowering at the thought of dreadful things happening to him. He was cowering in fear. Don't let them cower you into submission. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cower.